Get ready to dive into the magical world of Little Live Pets Mama Surprise Bunny, an Amazon exclusive that will enchant kids ages 4 and up. This interactive Mama Bunny and Hutch playset is perfect for Easter, featuring a multicolor theme that brings nurturing play to life. Pat, feed, and brush Mama Bunny to see her heart light up, signaling she's ready to have her 3 adorable babies. Place her into the hutch and wait for the magical reveal. When will her babies arrive? Each baby comes with its own themed accessories, whether it's preppy, rock and roll, or princess style. With over 20 sounds and reactions, Mama Bunny responds to your touch and even feeds on her carrot, offering endless interactive fun. The deluxe playset includes 20+ pieces and 2 modes of play, allowing you to choose when your babies will arrive, ensuring repeat playtime magic every time. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.